As a best practice, you should create a channel for each week or each topic that you have as a core part of the lesson and course that you're going to be teaching. You can see here right now we only have a general channel. What I'm going to do is add in a few more channels, and this will also help to then structure where we have our online meetings. I'm going to go over to add a channel. I'm going to call this week 1 entrepreneurship. You can see I have the ability to give it a description. One thing I would recommend for anything that you want all students to see, if you click automatically show this channel, it will pin it so it's available on the left-hand side. I'm going to leave it like this and click add. You can see just like that, we now have week 1 entrepreneurship, and I'll add another channel just for another quick example. We'll call this one week 2 market trends. Each channel has its own conversation space where you can post a message. It has its own file space, so you'll see when I click on files. So this is really great if you want to have then different sort of files in different channels. The class materials is by default always in, of course, the general channel. Now we've started to give our class a bit of structure.